10 on 7, you know, it's not.
Let's go outside and look at this.
Oh, look at that parrot. That's a cool parrot. It's so weird.
Hit the same battery, see if it works fine with mine. See what's the difference. I got the same radio.
Oh, the guy hit him because he has a radio.
Exactly, yeah. Truman.
Hey, yeah. Carl, how many episodes is that? 12, I think.
Jesus, he can't fly.
Yeah. 2 things we're going to do today. Well, 3 things. We're going to cover up the airsheet.
Okay.
We're going to spot land.
Okay.
And then we're going to do an unusual pattern.
Okay.
Okay, so what I'd like to see is that we're going to be flipping this pattern over again. And we'll be doing right traffic. So very important, we're clearing that power and monitoring the radio. Let's make our spot landing be even with the building right here. Between the building and the taxiway.